Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automation flows in ManyChat in 2026. Whether you want to automate customer support, generate leads, or guide users through a conversation, ManyChat makes it simple. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your Facebook page or Instagram account is already connected before you begin. Next, go to the automation section and click Create New Flow ***. Yeah, this is where you'll build your automation from scratch. Now, choose a trigger to decide when your flow should start. You can use a keyword, a new message, a button click, a comment, or another supported trigger based on your goal. After that, add message blocks, user input fields, buttons, conditions, and actions to create your conversation. You can connect different steps together to build a complete automated experience. Before publishing, test your flow using the preview feature or by sending a message from your connected account. Make any final adjustments, then activate the automation so it starts working for your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created an automation flow in ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.